First, come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then right hand side you can see search button. Enter your model number of your motherboard X870E AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 and then hit enter. Then click to product. So slow down, you can see. Okay, there are two version 1.2 and 1.0 and 1.1. So download, if you are using any, so no worry, all the driver installations process same. Then click to support. Then you can see this is select OS, which is you using Windows 10 and 11. There are two operating systems there. So if you using Windows 10, so this is also, you can follow this, watch this video and follow the installations process almost same, 100% same. You just okay. VLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so you can see here Wi-Fi driver Windows 11 64-bit. Just click to download. So it is completed. Just single click. Now you can see here Wi-Fi driver. Then it is done and close it.